Hello, today we will see about double fertilization. Why it is known as a double fertilization? It is known as a double fertilization because fusion takes place two times. The first fusion is known as syngamy and the second fusion is known as a triple fusion. Before learning about double fertilization, we will see the structure of embryo sac. This is the structure of embryo sac. As we know that embryo sac is present inside the ovule and the ovule is present inside the ovary, and we know that chalazal ovule has two ends, one is a chalazal end, one is a micropyle end. Towards the chalazal end 3 antipodal cell is present, and towards the micropyle end 2 synergid cell and 1 egg cell is present, and at the center 2 polar nuclei is present. These 2 polar nuclei, just before fertilization, they form secondary nucleus. Means these 2 polar nuclei before fertilization they will fused and they will form secondary nucleus. And in this synergid cell there is a finger-like projections in here known as a filiform apparatus. This filiform apparatus guide the pollen tube when it enter into the embryo sac. The pollen tube, which consists of two male gamete or two male nuclei and one vegetative nuclei. When the pollen tube enter into the one of the synergid, it releases 2 male nuclei and 1 vegetative nucleus into the synergid cell. Gradually, what happened when it released it 2 male nucleus or 2 male gametes and vegetative nucleus into the synergid cell, gradually the synergid cell degenerate, as a result of which one of the male gamete fused with first male gamete fused with egg cell and another male gamete will fuse with secondary nucleus. And meanwhile, the antipodal cell will degenerate, the synergid cell will degenerate, the vegetative nucleus will also degenerate. As I told that the first male gamete will fuse with the egg cell and the second male gamete will fuse with the secondary nucleus. When the egg cell fused with the first male gamete, it will form zygote, which is 2n. And the secondary nucleus, when will fused with second male gamete, it will form PEN, which is known as a primary endosperm nucleus. So the first male gamete plus egg, when they fused, they form a zygote. This is known as a syngamy. And the this is a second male gamete and this is a first male gamete. The second male gamete, when fused with secondary nucleus, it will form PEN therefore it is known as a triple fusion. This means 2 male gamete and secondary nucleus, which consists 2 polar nuclei. PEN will give rise to endosperm and the zygote will give rise to embryo. Therefore it is known as a double fertilization. That means fusion takes place 2 times, that is a syngamy and syngamy, which is a fusion of egg cell and the first male gamete, and triple fusion, which is a fusion of secondary nucleus and the second male gamete. So this is all about double fertilization.